Welcome everybody. I am here doing some ideas of a couple of points that we're asked to look for. We're asked to find the slope of each of these lines. So we have two separate points for two different sets of lines. We're going to start with 3, 2. We're going to go over here to 3, up 2, put a point right here. We're going to do a negative 3, 0. So we're going to put a point right here. Now, if you're a good person, not like me, actually, I think I have a ruler here. Look at that. If I can do this, we'll see if that will work. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. It may or may not happen, but when we're doing this, yeah, that wasn't so bad. All right, so there's your first line. So we're asked to find out what the slope is for this, so we're going to count it up 2. So it's a positive 2, and then that's my rise. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right, which is positive. So that's a, positive 6. So you have 2 over 6. Now that can be reduced to 1/3. So that's the slope for this one. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the second one. So we have 5, 1, negative 1. 5, negative 1 is right here. And then negative 1, negative 3. So that's this point right here. Do the same thing. We are going to connect these 2 points. See if I can do this again. And then we're going to find out what the slope is. Probably just better for me to do this by hand. Okay, so if you look at this right now, you should be able to see that they do look like they're parallel. But we're going to double check to make sure. So we're going to go up 2 to get to the next line. Our next point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is to the right, 6. And so you should notice that they are exactly the same slope, 2 over 6, or reduced to 1/3. So for these two particular parallel lines, we know it's parallel because our slopes are the exact identical. So they start at different y-intercepts, but they do have the same slope. So that's how you can tell they are parallel lines. If you want more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel, You Want Algebra. Check this out under the parallel and perpendicular section.